Hello there, my name is Na and you are watching You Want to Be a Review channel, and today video I am going to share with you the unique and surprising method actually that you can earn $200 to $300 simply with Google trick actually. So and definitely we will use Google for this solution and for this video and this tutorial actually, so you will maximize the result from that. So you can simply make money from the Google actually. So everybody is using Google, and everybody, me, you, everybody is using Google actually, searching something different uh, anytime actually. So why we cannot make money with the Google have to use Google? So this method is absolutely non-investment strategy, and it only requires 10 minutes work from you to copy and paste the method, and it is a newbie friendly strategy. No excuses required, no special skill is required. It is absolutely free. What I want from you to watch the video to the very end, because I'm going to share with you this tutorial for absolutely free. And I want from you to like the video, comment if you have any question, or if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. We have different tips, tricks, and strategies for making money online, getting passive income, and working from home on in our channel. So today video will be specifically to Google, that you can make money from the Google very easily and comfortably. So let's begin the strategy, that how it is working. The most important thing is that you need to listen to the very end of this video to learn the whole secret and strategy. The first and important thing is that you can just go to Fate for articles. This is a website actually that can pay you for articles actually, that you can write article. But wait a minute, you don't need to write in any article actually. Or if you don't have the skills, or your language is not great, I mean your English is not your first language and it is not the proper, you cannot speak properly, so no need for that, no problem, don't worry about that. I need to show you the copy and paste method that you can do. So paidforarticles.com is a website actually that pay you the money actually for posting the article. So there are also other websites I will show you at the end of this video, that even if you just post one post a day, they will give you from $100 to $1,000 for one post or one article. So this is an amazing strategy if you use Google and then make money from that. So here, what you need to do, you can simply go to the website, super articles, or you can go to articlesfactory.com, or even you can go to designarticles.com. So these are the three different websites actually that you can find out any method, or you can find out any article you are interested or you need that. So basically you need to choose the category, whatever the category you are interested with that. So you need to choose those category. For example, things to consider before buying, share link for codes. So here is the category. For example, whatever the category is, that you need to choose the category, and then you can use those article. I'm not talking about to copy and paste the whole article into your own article. No, it is wrong. The YouTube or Google algorithm will catch you and it will disapprove you, or you will not make any single penny with that. So what I need from you to just choose an article, for example, how to dark eye removal process with success. For example, why you should choose Valley X Saber Advance for shooting, 5 health items to keep handy around the house. Okay, so these are all the articles related to health and beauty of a woman or a man actually. So here we can just choose the article, whatever the article is that. For example, we can use weight loss or something like that. For example, you need to check out the weight loss. Let's see there, okay, that what is there in weight loss category. So here is in weight loss category, get rid of stubborn belly fat. Okay, the first there will be an ad, so you need to just get out from the ad. Efficient workout program per man. Okay, so you can simply copy this title. For example, you like this title, you just find out in these three different website the best article, okay, right here. So what you need to do, you can simply go to Google. So from here, the Google work or job is started now. So what you need to do, you can simply paste that here. Okay, you can simply paste it. Let me just go back and just copy that. Okay, the article. Then go around here and paste it here. Okay, so you can basically change a little bit efficient work. Okay, uh, you can see, you can write, for example, top 10, okay, or top 5 workout program for men. You can simply just edit that. Okay, for example, this is the first website. Let me just open, and this is another website. Actually, you can just open that one also. So there will be two different articles. Even you can use 3 or 4 different articles to open that, and then you can use right here. For example, this is one article. You just copy the things. For example, what you need to do, simply you can just copy the title from here, and you can just go to Google Doc right here and just edit your article by the name, that we can understand that this is our article. And here you can paste the title right here, and then you can scroll down, and then you can choose your article right here. Okay, for example, the bicep. Okay, bicep and chest. So these are the two things, for example, that we need here. You can simply copy that. Before pasting in Google Doc, you just need to go to the spinbots.com. Okay, right here, spinbots.com, and you can paste it right here. Okay, so once you paste it right here, then you can just scroll down a little bit and click that I'm not a robot. So once you that is green and approved, then you can just click on the go. So once you click on the go right here, you click on the go, so that will be rewritten your article. So the whole article will be rewritten. Okay, so here is some mistake, invalid value enter for captcha. Please try again. Okay, so there is captcha problem. Let me just give a try back again. Okay, it is done. Now click on the go. So this pinbot.com will simply rewrite the whole article for that, and the Google algorithm will not catch. So it is something like it is rewritten, means written again. Okay, so see, this is the whole article and it is written again. Okay, so there will be no algorithm, the same algorithm or something like that. So what you need to do, you can simply paste here. So from here you can just bold it right here, this one, because this is the title, chest. And you should not just go directly to the same website again. Okay, you should not go there to directly to the same website like this one. If you post it, then you can go back to another website, okay, or article right here, and you can just copy text from here also, and then go to spendbot.com, okay, right here, and then rewritten that, and then copy that and go back right here. So once your article is done, so it is a brand new article that you can sell on anyone on the Google. So as I was talking about, that it is not the only one website that we can just go paid for articles. So there are plenty of articles or websites actually that you can go there and you can sell your articles for a lot of money actually. So you can copy and paste here, and then you can just go to the article like Vibrant Life. So that is also a website that can purchase articles from you. And this is another website like Pro Blogger. Pro Blogger is another website that it can just, you can just submit an article and they will purchase from you. And there is another website actual like Medium. Medium is also the good place for purchasing the articles actually. You can just sell your articles on different people right here on Medium also. And this is Money Pantry as another website. Moneypantry.com is another website actually that you can also sell your articles right here. So these are all the different websites that you can go around that, and you can complete one. If you just complete one article a day, so you can earn 200 to 300 a day very easily and comfortably from these websites actually for absolutely free. nothing is required. Simply use the Google trick, actually, like this spin bot and Google, join them together and just maximize the result from that. So nothing is needed for you, just copy and paste. All the free tools are available for you. So simply take action on the method and you will be the one to make 200 to $300 per day very easily and comfortably. So that was the whole method that I was about to share with you in today's video, and you will definitely like that and you will be interested with that. So if you like the method, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So don't forget to share with yours on social media with your friends that they can also get benefit from that. So thank you for watching the video. Till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.